Everyone, I am Al-Amin Shohan. Our project title is Electromagnetic Engine. Actually, we selected the project because in that engine no fuels is needed. Purpose of the project: this technology eliminates the need for fossil fuels, reduces emissions, minimize maintenance. Actually, the engine can convert electrical energy to mechanical energy easily. Let's talk about one of the purpose of this project. Electromagnetic engine does not need oil, and the costing of the oil is increasing day by day in today's world. If we can develop the electromagnetic engine, it will be beneficial for the industries. It can reduce huge cost. That's why the industries can profit more by using this technology. Now I will talk about the working principle. Actually, it is not that kind of complex mechanism. It is quite easy. An electromagnetic engine has two parts. One is stator and another one is rotor. In stator side there will be magnet, and the rotor usually consists of coils. When an electric current flows through the coils of the stator, it creates a magnetic field. According to the coils, then it interacts with the magnetic field of the rotor. At that time, there will be a rotation, varying current and magnitude. We can maintain the rotation. That's the working principle of this project.
Hello, I am Shahaboshan from ECA department. Now I am going to discuss about the working principle of our project Electromagnetic Engine Model. We have used electromagnet, battery, solar panel, flywheel, coil, connecting rod, switch. Now I am going to discuss about this components working principle. Firstly, electromagnet. The electromagnet is formed when an insulated solid copper wire is wound around a core or formed to create an electromagnet. When electricity is passed through the coil, it generates a magnetic field. Next is coil. The electromagnetic coil is formed when an insulated solid copper wire is wound around a core to create an electromagnet. When electricity is passed through a coil, it generates a magnetic field. Next is switch. We have connected a trigger switch which used to help in the rotating of our crankshaft. Next is flywheel. We have used a heavy wheel as a flywheel in our engine. Flywheel have a significant moment of inertia and thus resist changes in rotational speed, inability the engine to run at a constant uniform motion. The next part is connecting rod. In our engine, we used connecting rod to connect the piston to the crankshaft. This connects the linear motion of the piston in the circular motion of the crankshaft. The material of the connecting rod is cast iron. The next is solar panel. We used a solar panel in our engine. When sun shines onto a solar panel, energy from the sunlight is absorbed by the PV cells in the panel. This energy creates electric charges that move in response to an internal electric field in the cell, causing electricity to flow. And finally, we have used battery. We have used 5.7 volt battery in our engine. That's all from me. Next part will be discussed by Mahmoud. Thank you.
I am Mahmoud Hassan from EC department. Our project about electromagnetic engine model. Firstly, I want to say about the implementation and what problems we have faced to make this engine model. Electromagnetic engine openings involve complex manufacturing process, high quality materials and component. We have gone to the several markets for buying component like connecting rod, stator and rotor. But we cannot find these components in the market, so we have to make a handmade rotor and stator. Our handmade stator contains the coil of windings, and we attach two neodymium magnets with the stator. On the rotor side, we have used the spoke of motorbike with flywheel, and we also use the spoke of motorbike as a connecting rod, which push and pull of the electromagnetic engine, which push and pull of the rotor. After the implementation of a frame side, we have noticed the rotor side cannot be balanced smoothly. Balancing properly, we have used another round shaped wood with a triggered switch that will help to rotating the engine properly. But when connecting the battery with solar panel, our engine does not work properly. Now I want to say about the future prospects. The electromagnetic engine model represents a promising directions for sustainable and efficient power generations. Continued research and development efforts are crucial to overcome the existing limitations and improve the model's performance. In conclusion, the model's adaptability and versatility have been explored, showcasing its potential applications in transportations, power generations, and industrial machinery. It has our project has highlighted the efficiency and environmental benefits of the electromagnetic engine model, as it does not rely on fossil fuels and produces minimal emissions. Despite the achievements, our project has also encountered challenges and limitations. These include that the need for further development and optimizations for energy storage systems, addressing the size and weight of the components, and enhancing stability and cost effectiveness. Thank you. That's from me.
Here is our project demonstration video, and it is an electromagnetic engine model. Here we used handmade rotor and stator. Introducing this part, where we use magnet, and here have 110 turn of coil to make the windings. Here we use connecting rod, and for balancing we used round shaped wood with a switch trigger. Here have a switch trigger, and this is the flywheel which rotates the motion of electromagnetics. Also we used 5.7 volts battery and a mini solar panel which can charge the battery, and when electricity passes through the engine, the magnet and the electricity create a motion of force which rotates the rotor. So let's see how it works. When we are connecting this, then it is starting. Actually they have a mini fault here, balancing problem. Actually this is handmade. For this there have a problem.